Here are the information we need to get activated Shopify payments. So as we have said always on other videos, this time we need to use a Wise account. So also I want to mention here for the people who need Klarna as payment option, here it is available. And let me explain you what you really need to get this done. So as you can see, this is a Shopify payments active. This is a Shopify payments part. We have activated the Shopify payments. Now let's go to the Wise, and we have the three currencies here. So we need the GBP currency. So if we click here, we see this part. We can send, add, receive, convert, request money. We need to click this part here. If you click here, you will come to the GBP account details. From here, we have the information we need. Also, uh, what is what is more important is this part right here. Get one for account details. We need this. If you don't have this, we can't help. So for sure, you need this part. And if you have this can be downloaded in PDF. If I click here, but I'm not going to click. I have downloaded already 10 times. Um, if you click this part here, then contact us and we can activate you this part. I want to say that this is not 100% sure. I mean, this is not 100% a working method, but it works 99%. We have tested this up to 10K and it's working perfectly. So if you want to risk, it's okay and it's up to you. If you don't want, don't risk. We don't hold any responsibility. We don't use any fake information. We do everything legal. We follow all the rules possible that are on back open doors that we have discovered. So I think you got all the information you need. So if you're ready to try or you want to try, simply contact us and let us know all you need. You should have this proof of details account, and besides this, we need as well your driving license or ID or passport or any other identification that we can prove your account. So I think that's all. If you have any comment, contact us.